60% of people are not subscribed. So if you are not subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later. Hey guys, this is Ghosteenx. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your cursor in Windows 10. Right now, my cursor is the normal one. Basically, first go to www.cursorsforyou.com/cursors/ should come here. Now you can choose a cursor of any style. I would recommend getting a set so you can use all of it. There's like animated. Yeah, I'll go in cursor sets. I would recommend this. There's all of these cursors, and yes, this is very good. Download this. Now it should be a zip file. Now go in File Explorer. Okay, downloads. Open the zip file, and I would suggest getting another. Opening File Explorer, and then in desktop, make a folder in desktop, cursors, and then open this and copy all the ANI files. That one more iBeam. There you go. So now what you have to do is leave that there so you don't forget. Search it here, then search mouse here, then press mouse and go to pointers, and then here should be all the options that you can get. There are many default options, but what you want to do, I would go in none, so that after, if I want to change it, I can change it back. Okay, so basically now these are all the cursors. Now you go on this, click on the first one, press browse, and then go to desktop and cursors, and then choose which cursor you want to be in the normal state. I want arrow. Do that, open it. It should be there now. And then you set all of these up. When I set all of these up, I'll come back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've set all of them up. I wouldn't worry about location select and person select. I'll just worry about link. Not alternative either. Move, diagonal resize 2, 1, then horizontal, vertical, unavailable, handwriting, text select, precision, I can't spell today, select, busy, working in background, help select, and normal select. And now it's done. So you just select apply. And see, look at my cursor. It's the cursor I wanted it to be. And if you want to enable pointer shadow, then shadow will come behind it. And you can delete all of this, and then you can go back to default. Okay, so yeah guys, this was my video. I hope you enjoyed. I will post more videos. I also wanted to change the cursor. That's why I made this video. So bye.